They got it wrong because one, they didn't do enough. They didn't talk about why the situations and circumstances existed. They didn't. You know, you got to go to the root in order to understand what produced this. What produced some of these behaviors in these neighborhoods was that these people were locked out of the society.
I really am pissed about that. I will use that term in terms of the damage I think The Wire did to this city, in terms of our image. That's not who we are. That is not who we are.
I didn't watch that. I tried because I was part of that whole, it was all just like fictional. Yeah. So I didn't watch beyond the first episode of that. I have never seen an episode of The Wire.
I am not scared of our people. I'm sorry. I am not the lady that will clutch her purse when she walks towards the brother, young brother. In fact, I speak to him.
I think it is the love of Baltimore, even with people seeing Baltimore through the eyes of The Wire. That's not our Baltimore. It's a part of Baltimore, but it's not our Baltimore. And it's not our lived experience.